I've made some final adjustments to the smoke housing, and I'm printing 3 of them right now. I'll get this out of the way. And there's the improvements to it. You can see the shape is wider in the middle, makes more room for the heat. I've increased the thickness in the bottom and the sides so that it won't leak out fluid or overheat. So I think I have the final design for the smoke that is fit for 3D with an adapter. And I just found an old engine that I was working on, one of my R&D engines. You can see how it's been all hacked up and boogered with. I just drove out the gear because it was a mess. I'd done a lot of work to it. At any rate, the gear was a mess. I took it out. It did not have the hole for the conventional smoke anyway, so it's going to have the special adapter for the smoke with the gear, non-smoke with the gear chassis. Takes a special fitting for that, but I have it. I just have to print one, and then I can put on a 3D smoke, and then the gear for the switch for the chuff, and that'll go there. And in this one I had put in a ball bearing in the front, so you can see the bronze bushings are rotating on a ball bearing, and then the ball bearing is sitting in the opening. So the bronze bushings are rubbing on a ball bearing, the back is a bronze bushing, and the reduced friction with that front ball bearing is pretty nice. Oh, I meant to show you, it was rolling at 2 volts when you came up. Well, now it's 1.9. I got it down lower. 0.6 amps at 1.9 volts, and it runs. It tells you the stiction or the resistance to rotate is very low, and that would mean that it should be a free running engine. Got a really bad wheel. I don't know what's going on over here. It's like a lump in it or something, but the front 2 wheels are goofus. One's got traction tire and one doesn't. I don't know what's going on, but I'll be able to fix those easy enough. Back wheels are fine. I lifted the nose up and ran it at 30 volts and it just screams. So I'm in good shape. I want to get these housings built, then I can start designing and finalizing the heater and the thermistor and the reference resistor, and dialing in the smoke for that particular box, which would be then used on all of the machines probably. That means I'd have to replace all these other units. It's okay, we can handle it. All right. Whatever it takes to make it the best, that's what I need to do. And we're on fire. I'm adding bronze inserts for threads on the base here, so when that adapter goes in, it won't pull the threads out. This is an early one. You can see the white, there's a hole in the bottom. I've fixed that on the newer designs. I was using this to test the mounting concepts. This is a 256. I also have a 440, which I used in the other one, but the 256 will work. I need to get more of those screws, and 256 is plenty. This takes no pressure. You know, it's not like it's a mechanical part. It just sits there and smokes. So pretty exciting. I do have to remake this bracket so that it's more radiused on the sides here and will fit up into the housing, but I'm going to need more gears and more brackets for some of these engines that don't have the capability of the smoke. Okay, more later.